In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync linked records from Google Sheets to Airtable. By the end, you'll have your Google account cleanly connected to Airtable so you can bring in a sheet and keep data in sync, including fields you plan to use as linked records. Start by opening Airtable in your browser and heading into the base where you want this sync to live. Once you're inside the base, look for the Add or Import option. This is Airtable's entry point for pulling data in from outside sources. Choose Add from other sources so you can see the full list of integrations, then select Google Sheets. That tells Airtable you're about to authorize a Sheets connection. Next, click Select Google Sheets account. If you've never connected Google to Airtable on this workspace, you'll be prompted to pick a Google account. Choose the correct account for the sheet you plan to sync. A quick tip here. Make sure your sheet has clear column headers in the first row and that you have at least view access, ideally edit access, to the file you'll be syncing. If you already connected before or you see a permission warning, open Manage Connected Accounts. Find the Google connection you want to fix, click the three dots next to it, and choose Reconnect. When Google's prompt appears, select the email for the right account, then click Continue through the consent screens to grant Airtable access. You're simply allowing Airtable to read the specific files you select later, which is required for syncing. If your organization uses multiple Google profiles, double-check you're authorizing the correct one. Back in Airtable, if you need to add a brand new Google account instead of refreshing an old one, click plus Connect New Account. Choose Google Sheets again and repeat the same authorization steps you just saw. Pick the correct Google account and continue through the prompts to finish. With the account connected, you're ready to select your spreadsheet and worksheet and proceed with the import or sync setup in Airtable. For linked records, plan ahead. Include a stable unique identifier column in your sheet that matches or can be matched to records in your linked table. That makes it much easier to maintain relationships when your data updates. Keep your header names consistent over time and avoid reusing IDs so Airtable can reliably match rows to existing records on each sync. That's it. You've connected Google Sheets to Airtable, refresh the connection if needed, and you're set up to bring in data that can power linked records with confidence.